Honda companies in the Philippines pooled resources to host an event to promote greater road safety through education, while also showcasing new technologies and providing hands-on experiences on how they function. Held at the Honda Safety Driving Center in Parañaque, the One Honda Road Safety event was participated in by around 130 attendees from diverse sectors, including government agencies, educational institutions, media, and various vehicle clubs.
Today we have 130 attendees, all from different sectors. So we have invited the government, so we have MMDA, DOTR, the government of Santa Rosa, Laguna, our LGU, PNP, HPG. From the academe, we have the University of the Philippines National Center for Transportation Studies. We have car clubs, various car clubs, riders clubs. We have our two-wheel corporate clients, our four-wheel corporate clients, our customers, and then of course the media, our media friends here with us today.
The event was divided into two main parts. The morning seminar focused on basic road safety education, responsible driving, preventive maintenance, and the importance of proper driving and riding education, as well as an introduction into Honda technology to enhance safety like Honda Sensing. During the afternoon, participants experienced Honda Sensing technology in action and took part in test drives of both motorcycles and cars.
For four-wheel, we have 6 units, the Civic, CRV, HRV, BRV, and City. All of them have Honda Sensing technology, and then 3 of them have hybrid variants. So we prepare them all for our participants. And then for two-wheel, we have the CUV, the EM1, their latest EV motorcycles, and then big bikes and their best-selling nameplates for motorcycles.
Honda aims to expand the initiative nationwide as part of the brand's global vision to have traffic fatalities by 2030 and achieve zero traffic fatalities by 2050.
We plan to bring this nationwide, so it's really our goal in Honda to bring the road safety education to a wider audience. So this is the start, and we hope to be able to bring it to a lot of different audiences in the Philippines.